warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Shoaib Gorme. My school name is RZP Semi English Urdu School Morba Boys. From Standard 4, I am going to speak few lines about Teachers Day. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. We are celebrating Teachers Day. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. Teachers Day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great second president of India. A good teacher is like a candle. Teachers are the second parents in everyone's life. Our knowledge is incomplete without teachers'